Need a new breakfast recipe? I'm going to share my recipe for Black Forest oats that will not only brighten your morning, but also boost your mood for the whole day. Imagine starting your day with a delicious bowl of oats that combines the sweetness of cherries and the richness of dark chocolate. It's a flavor combination that's sure to put a smile on your face and get you feeling energized and focused for the day ahead. I'm Miss Kay. This is Go Cuisine. Let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to need half a cup of oats, a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, or you could use hot chocolate powder if you're not adverse to using some sugar, 2 teaspoons of quinoa, and a teaspoon of chia or flax milk or combination of them. In lieu of sugar, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of chopped dates, a half cup of the milk of your choice. I'm using regular cow's milk. You can use oat milk or almond milk if you like. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. And the star of the show, you're going to need some cherries. About half a cup, pitted and sliced in half. You can use fresh or frozen. We're going to use the itaki today. We're going to start by taking our oats, our cocoa, the chia and quinoa, and we're going to give them a stir. Stir that all together. So you don't get any lumps. The chia and the flax add extra antioxidants and omega-3s and some more fiber. The quinoa adds extra protein. Okay, then we're just going to add in our dates, our little splash of vanilla, with our milk, and our cherries. I'm cheating. I'm going to use frozen cherries that I've thawed out. If you don't thaw them, it will take a little bit longer. You can go ahead and put in any juices there. Give that another quick stir. Make sure everyone's hydrated. Okay, and we're going to put that into our itaki. If you're cooking this on the stove, same method, just use a saucepan instead of the itaki and cook it like regular oatmeal. Stir together the dry like I did, and then bring your water to a boil and add that in. That'll prevent any lumps. We're going to add 2 of our itaki cups of water to the base. And why cook one thing? Let's add an egg to the top, shall we? I'm spraying so it won't stick. And add 1 egg. Oh, beautiful egg. Okay, there was a cartoon when I was a kid. And I think it was a wolf. He was going to crack the egg and cook something. And he cracked it open and it was a chick. And then, chaos ensues. If you remember what cartoon that was, please tell me. I've been looking for it online for years and I haven't been able to find it. All right, we're just going to plug this in and hit start. If we can attach the cord. And now we wait. While we're waiting for a delicious breakfast to cook, this would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to the channel. It's been about 25 minutes, and this is turned off, so we're going to very carefully open it. Careful, there's still steam, and you don't want to put your hand where that hole is for the steam. Ooh, let's try this. Okay, so you can see the egg is cooked all the way through. There's no runny yolk. Okay, so might be a little too long for the egg. And then for her oatmeal, this came out a little dry for my taste. So I think next time we'll just add a little extra milk or water. Just gonna add a little more water here. I wanted to err on the side of caution because the itaki cooks with steam. So I know some people like their oatmeal thick like this. I like mine a little more cooked, a little more watery. Just a preference of taste. Okay. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, that's delicious. And we'll put some salt and pepper on this egg and be ready to eat. Things with the camera to my back. Personally, for me, I think this would be like 2 breakfasts. Okay, I have that. And then season our egg. And there you have it, ready to go. Maybe we're being extra. We're gonna add more cherries on the top. And you could absolutely add maple syrup or date syrup or some honey to this if you want it sweeter, or sugar. But I like the sweetness of the fruit. Still have a dog staring us down. If you feel you need more chocolate, you can drop some chocolate chips on top. Feeling naughty? I'm happy with it. The cherries are nice and tart. It is not too sweet. However, I think this will feed me more than 1 breakfast. I recommend stirring in some more cherries at the end because then you kind of get a different texture. Otherwise, this is all mush. Maybe you could add some nuts on here. I know that wouldn't be Black Forest, but it's good. And now the egg is cooked all the way through. So if you like your egg cooked through like this, then the 25 minutes is okay. But if you like a runny yolk, you're going to want to take your egg out earlier. But it is nicely cooked. All right, y'all. Bon appetit. Let me know in the comments what your favorite breakfast foods are. I'd love to know. Maybe I'll share with the dog. Probably not. Don't share chocolate with your dogs. I meant the egg. And there we have it. Our Black Forest Oatmeal. Your secret weapon is starting your day off on the right foot. By incorporating this recipe into your morning routine, you'll be fueling your body with nutrient-dense ingredients and setting yourself up for a day filled with energy, enthusiasm, and positivity. If you're feeling inspired to share your own breakfast creation, please let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your favorite recipes and morning routines, and if you're looking for more healthy breakfast ideas, be sure to check out some of our other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video that YouTube's picked out for you. Have a great day. Au revoir et bon appétit. Ciao, ciao.